is Miss Courtney. Nice to see you all today. Please make sure you have a notebook and a pen with you. Today we will have no worksheet to go with the webinar. All of your home tasks today are inside the webinar, so you need to make sure you write everything down in your notebook. Take out a pen and your notebook now, and please write down today's date. Today is Friday, the 15th of May, 2020. Please write the date now in your notebook. Today's webinar is number 15, okay? And today's topic is conjunctions using and, but, or because. Let's go. Okay, so make sure you write everything on the slides in your notebook. You must take notes today. All right, so the first thing we need to know are what is a conjunction? What are conjunctions, okay? Conjunctions are special words that connect ideas. This is a highlighter, and this is a pen. This is a highlighter and a pen. The word and brings these two together, okay? So they connect different ideas. Some conjunctions are and, but, or, and because. And here is the Russian translation for them. And, и, but, no, or или, because, потому что. Please make sure you write all of this in your notebook now. Okay? So, now I'm going to give you some examples, okay, of these different conjunctions and their use. So number one, Stesha likes to play football and volleyball. So we have Stesha, and she's playing football and she's playing volleyball. She likes both of these sports. She does both of them, okay? Volleyball and football, both sports. Next example, Tia doesn't like to dance, but she likes to paint. So this is Tia, okay? And as we can see, she doesn't like to dance, but she does like to paint. Okay, so there she is painting. Number three, Emma likes everything. She eats vanilla or chocolate ice cream. So if you gave Emma the choice between vanilla and chocolate, and she had to choose one, she could choose one or she could choose the other. She likes both of these variants. Okay, and our last example is Saveli isn't eating a hamburger because he's eating pasta. So there's Saveli, and that's him with his nice big bowl of pasta. He can have a burger, but he is not going to eat it because he already has his pasta and he's happy with it. Okay? Now, please pause this video if you need more time. Make sure you write everything from this slide in your notebook. Then continue the video. Okay, so our first task today, this is part of your home task. You will be graded on this today, okay? So task number one, please do this task in your notebook now. It is graded as part of your home task. Okay, the instructions are, please rewrite the sentences in your notebook and use and or but in the sentences. Please write numbers 1 through 8 in your notebook now and choose but or and. Put them in the correct spots. Okay? Pause this video, do this exercise in your notebook, and then continue on to task 2. First one is done for you. Emmy wants to wear her scarf, but it is summer. She can't. Okay? Just an example for you. Please do all the rest of them in your notebook now. Stop the video, do the exercise, and then continue to exercise 2. Okay, now everybody, once you're finished with exercise 1, Let's start with exercise 2. This is also part of your home task. Please do this exercise in your notebook now. It is also graded as part of your home task. Okay? So the instructions for task 2. Match the sentences in your notebook. So you're going to get two parts of two parts of the same sentence. And I need you to match the beginning of the sentence with the end of the sentence. So look, the first one is done for you. Yesterday I was late to school because I woke up late. Match the different sentences in your notebook. Then, after matching, please write the sentences together in your notebook. So, you should write, yesterday I was late to school because I woke up late. Please stop the video now, do this exercise in your notebook, and then continue on to task 3. Okay, so now let's continue with task 3. This is also part of your homework. Please do it in your notebook now. Okay, the instructions for this task is to make one sentence from 2 parts, okay? You should use but, and, or, and because. Each word is only used once, okay? One is already done for you as an example. So please look here, okay? Number 1, Tia likes pizza. Tia likes pasta, okay? Tia likes pizza and pasta, okay? So we've already used and, we can't use it again. Now, you get other sentences and they have 2 ideas, 2 parts, and you need to combine them using but, or because to make one sentence, okay? Please do this exercise in your notebook now. Stop the video, do the exercise, then continue to task 4. Okay, so the last task for today, using our conjunctions, okay? Please do this in your notebook now as well. It's also part of your grade today. Okay, instructions. You went to the soccer match, to the football match, but you forgot to do your homework, okay? Now, think of 6 different reasons to tell your teacher about why you didn't do your homework. Here's an example for you. Miss Courtney, I didn't do my homework because my hamster ate it. Okay? Now, you think of 6 reasons about why you didn't do your homework after the football match. Okay? Please write these answers in your notebook. Okay? Please use my example. Miss Courtney, I didn't do my homework because... La 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 la. 6 things, please. Stop the video. Please write this in your notebook now, then continue the webinar. Okay, so guys, you did a really good job today. I'm very proud of you. I know it's a lot of work and a lot of writing, but I know you guys can do it, okay? So after you finish, make sure you send me your work. How did you do today? Was the work easy for you? Was it more difficult? How did you feel? Okay? Did you do all of the tasks in your notebook? Please make sure you didn't forget anything. Make sure you did everything. Okay? Please don't forget to upload your work. Take a photo of it from your notebook and please upload all of it to either Class Dojo portfolio or to Dnevnik.ru. If you're having problems with Dnevnik.ru or with Class Dojo, you can email me your work, but only as last resort, okay? Great work today, everybody. Thank you very, very much, okay? And I guess we will see each other on Monday. Have a good weekend, have a nice rest, and I will see you all on Monday. Goodbye.